We launched last year, Tom Kerridge Presents Pub in the Park in Marlow to a roaring success, sold out in 48 hours. We decided to launch it in 4 areas this year, so we've gone to Marlow, Bath, Tunbridge Wells and Knutsford.
You definitely have to have great music, but you also need great food and you need great drinks.
Yeah, I mean PKL are great. There's not many companies out there that understand putting a kitchen into a field. It's definitely out of the comfort zone of most other companies. They've got great modular systems that can go up and go down. The guys that work behind the scenes, the guys that do the install, are all great. You know, they come to site, they know their job, they listen and they get it done. That's all we want from people. So yeah, pleased to be working with PKL.
The reason I'm very satisfied with how it's working with PKL is that they understand the challenges like we do of restaurants. They're dealing with those professionals who just need a bit of kit to turn on, work and not be a drama. And I think we've certainly experienced that the equipment that we get is good, but not just that, the attention to detail in advance, the work that's done by the PKL team communicating with each and every restaurant, ensuring that they understand the equipment that's being brought, the layouts of every restaurant are done, there are drawings done to make sure everything fits. We don't get there and there's too much equipment. Very detailed scaled drawings of every single restaurant, which is brilliant. And then the team on the ground are here, they meet the restaurants, they work with our gas engineer here to make sure it's tested. They leave us a load of spare kits should something, not work. We flip it over and they deal, the fact that they're dealing directly with the restaurants is good. It means that they're talking the same language, because if we got stuck in the middle, we're no experts on kitchen equipment. They say we're going to be doing a lot more of these in the future, so it's a good partnership from our side.